Today it's all about you,
Mm-hmm.
feeling grounded with your feet firmly placed in the sandy soil of Australia. Today we're creating geometric shaped earrings, and the theme is Australian Melbourne beach sand. So I have selected this monotone fabric, which is brown with speckled dark brown and black dots with a splash of red in the background. And I've created my holes and opening, fixing my jump rings and getting it closed back again. Now you realize that there are some things in life that doesn't need the usual shouting colors. So today I'm going for this monotone design made up of brown with yellow beads and cylindrical glass beads. I hope you enjoy this pair of earrings. And how gorgeous will this be on the sandy beaches of Melbourne this weekend? Putting jewelry together is a way of telling yourself that you can. We can put different materials together to create a new sense of beauty. And today's beauty is a new jewelry that we can wear anywhere we want, still feel beautiful, and still feel purposeful.
Yes?
These are my mindful jewelry making session. I hope you can put some jewelry together yourself this weekend. Just few materials will do. And with sustainable beauty, it's about crafting earrings or jewelry using repurposed materials or fabric offcuts like I usually do. I hope you enjoy this piece of jewelry and you remember that it's all about you this season. It's about expressing your inner beauty using monotone colors with just a slight dash of color such as yellow. So this is Ako's earrings, and I hope to see you in a market very soon. I hope you enjoy this jewelry making session, and if you do, give us some thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves colors. Thank you guys. Have a lovely season. Bye.